we're going to now put some glitter in the hair. Now that the hair is down, we can actually get to it, and we're moving towards the end of our costume. It's one of those finishing touches. Get a canister of glitter. Some of these will come in makeup kits, and they'll say that they are safe or not safe to put in the hair. This one is. And we're going to start applying very gently using a medium-sized brush, not a little one. That'll take forever. And what we're looking to do is just kind of put some glitter streaks and spots of glitter in the hair. Doesn't have to be an extreme effect. Otherwise, I just recommend they sell glitter spray paints if you want to be that solid. But some of these sparkles are going to start showing up. And if you get an area that's too clotted, just kind of bring your brush back and perpendicularly brush across the line of hair to spread that glitter out. Again, we don't want clumps. We're not going for clumps. Now, you can apply glitter in other ways too. Some of you folks out there may also have the canisters of spray-on glitter. That's great, you know, and that'll get the job done. But in case you don't, if you have some glitter in your kit and a brush, you can still apply it to the hair.